We're going low tech here. It's going to be an alcohol stove situation, right? All in one little unit. T for Trangia. Fuel, look. Well, these are Pepsi bottles before they're blown up. Really handy for carrying fuel. Off to the races now, it's just time. Notice how quiet that Trangia is? You can hear nature. There's no roar, there's just pure heat. It's amazing. We're gonna do a little pour over here today. The last little pour. There, just like the baristas do it in Italy. There you go. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, buddy.
Top of the morning to you.
Top of the morning to you.
To yous. You have to say it yous.
Diaz.